Welcome to this captivating journey through the natural beauty of Sweden. The waterfall is easily accessible by car, and there's ample parking available. Remember to respect the natural environment and follow any posted guidelines to help preserve this pristine location for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey to Hallamölla Waterfall in Sweden. We hope you've been inspired to explore this hidden gem for yourself and immerse in the beauty and serenity it offers.
For full video, please click the link below or visit our website. See you there.